Combination of chicken breast and this new Procure stuff that I bought at BCF, but unfortunately it's not really doing much. So this is the remainders of the jewfish I caught a couple of months ago, a big 1 metre jewie. So I'm going to give this little puppy a go. So I'm going to try some Big John's aniseed oil. Whoop! Little sucker got away. Big John's aniseed oil. Commercial fishermen said that's really good. And there's my jewfish. So I'm just going to give them a few coats. Make sure that aniseed licorice flavour is going to entice those fishies. Got a big ass hook here. It's big enough to catch a shark, I reckon. What I'm using now is my bait runner I got from Craig Dillon from Fishing and Hunting. So I'm just going to throw this puppy out and see what we can catch. Good cast, Cindy. Alrighty, just let some line go. It's a nice afternoon in Bribie Island. We haven't had that much luck with the fishing today. I think there's just far too much activity, so people just need to leave our little island alone. So I flick the little bait caster on there. So when the fish takes to bait, it lets me know that it's on and we're in business. So let's give it a go. While that's happening, all I've caught today is a plastic bag. That's not a very good day. This is my spin combo fluger, and I might give this one a little bill with some chicken breast because the brim seem to like the chicken breast, and most fish do. So what I'm going to do is cut off with just an ordinary little bit of chicken titty. This one I might try some Procure. This one is the salt water flavour, and all you need is squeeze a little sucker out from this. Doesn't sound too good. Now I thought today, being this new fluger rod being my Christmas present, it'd catch me a lot of little fish. I'm going to really bait it on well here. Just keep pushing it through. Watch my fingers. And that's not a fishing scar. That's Christmas lunch. Alrighty, so we're going to go over here. Also, I'm trying out this new pre-mixed burley. It's a suggestion to me to put the burley in a stocking. Now, if you ask me, that looks pretty rude, but hasn't really worked that far, but you never know. We've still got plenty of time yet. So I'll throw these balls back and I'm just going to cast them out. There we go. Give it a bit of line. And see which comes first, the chicken or the jewfish. So just a correction before, this is a bait runner, not a bait caster, and I got that from Fishing Money. As you see, it's pretty all dead here at the moment, so we're going to go and find some our favourite flathead holes. We're going to do some night fishing and hopefully we can get a better catch, so fill you in later. What do you think, Craig?
What do I think? I think we need to catch a fish soon, that's for sure.
Haven't had a great day?
No. Haven't had much luck at all. Water temperature's good, 27 degrees. But no fish so far. Take my hat off, or clothes off.
It's a nice silhouette sunlight behind you, Craig.
Cool.
No lures tonight?
We might give one a go, yeah. Got a couple of those new glow in the dark ones.
What about squid jig?
Yeah, we'll be throwing some squid jigs around, that's for sure. Need a couple of liveys for tonight.
Gonna catch yourself a dewy?
I'd like to catch a dewy tonight, yeah.
Woohoo!
Make you go quiet for a while, that's for sure.
Funny one. Heading out through the passage now. Some of the boats are starting to fade away, which is good. The sun's going down, people are going home having their dinner, where some people will still like to stay out and catch some genuine fish and feed their family. Bloody jet skis. Alright, so we're heading over to the bridge. Spiny Old Bridge. Craig and I got married just over there. 23rd of December. A couple of days ago. Beautiful day it was too. What you looking for, Craig?
My flathead hole. Waiting for it to come up on the sounder. I'm not far from it. Still a fair few boats out tonight, so I don't think we're going to be the only ones out here tonight. We'll probably be the only ones that forgot to bring a torch with them. But you get that.
What do you think about catching flathead? What do you think are the best? Do you like lures or bait?
Lures for sure.
So we're in 5.8.
In the new year we'll have some new prototypes of the new CJ lures that are going to be coming along next year.
Oh, that's exciting.
So we're looking forward to giving them a go.
So how much water are we in at the moment, Craig?
We're only 3.5 metres now, but it comes up very quick, very soon here.
Can you see any holes in the fish finder there?
I know exactly where to go. Unfortunately, you're going to throw this on YouTube and everyone's going to see where we are now too.
Oh, I only can see you, Craig.
In there. 9. Meters.
How's it looking?
And we're here.
Alrighty, let's see the man in action.
Ow.
Nice spot there, Craig.
Okay. Let's get a fish. Throw the boat away. I'm using lures.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. The usual bet on the fish. We all know what that involves between husband and wife.
What sort of lure are you going to use today, Craig?
I'm going to be using the Z-Man Minnow. green green coloured. So I reread my line because someone keeps snapping it.
So what do you think about the difference between the green, the red, the gold, or the silver in the lures, Craig? Because you are a bit of a lure man with your CJ lures.
Green's my favourite for flathead.
Why do you think that attracts them?
I'm not sure. I know after about 2 metres in the water, the main colour that will stick out will be orange. Everything else turns brown.
What about purple?
Oh no, purple goes brown as well.
What about gold?
Gold goes brown.
But green doesn't.
No, green does, but we're not in that much. We're not in real deep water at the moment, so.
You got a fluger rod too there, I see, Craig.
I do. Nice to see you copied me.
Oh no, no. I did my research. What you got there, Craig?
Hey?
What you got there? Show us your lure.
The Z-Man Minnow.
Alrighty.
One of my favourite little lures. Make sure it goes on nice and straight. Or it is not going to swim too good.
It's all about making them swim, hey, Craig?
It is. And what I always do is always make sure it's straight. Nice and straight. Every time. And just drop it over. Give it a little swim.
You got much line out there, Craig?
Making sure it swims good.
Oh yeah, yeah. That was
And,
just a trial.
Away we go. Bring on a fish. Let it sink. So I get a dip in my line. Go, let it slack. Couple little switches. Sink back down. Little switches. Sink back down. And that's that. Continues to go out. Fan them out.
Alright, you might have me convinced. I might just put some bait on the bait runner, and I might just actually we'll hook up a lure and see how I go on it. Hey, what do you think, Craig?
Oh, I think you should do that. I think you should just be using lures anyway.
Alrighty.
Save you cleaning the boat out with your smelly bait every time.
Yeah. Oh, well, let's stay tuned and see if we can catch some fish. Convinced me in trying these lures. Got this little one yesterday from BCF. It's got a little bill on it, so it's meant to actually sink to the bottom and swim along. Trying some aniseed oil on my lure. Spray him on. And I'll give him a jig and a rig. So, make this little puppy swim. Yay, swim line out. A bit windy here.
You don't need any put any line out.
Alright. Up, see down, sit down. Nice and slow. So the fishy knows where to go. Not convinced on these bullets.